What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all my July favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and link down my April, May, and June favorites in case y'all missed it or y'all wanna watch it or y'all fuck with this video and y'all want more. So yeah, I'm gonna be going ahead and doing these every month, and yeah, pretty much that's it, I think. So yeah, we're gonna get to the video. The first lash, okay, so the first thing that I want to show y'all are actually these lashes. So I caught these lashes for my girl Alexi. I personally love these lashes so much. These are in the style Alice. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. These are my go-to lashes. I think, like, I don't know if I would, like, I would buy other lashes, but I just feel like I really fuck with these lashes. Like, you know when you, like, finally find the lashes. So yeah, these are the lashes for me. So yeah, this is the first one. And I went ahead and I had these last month, but they lasted like almost the whole month, but then like after a while they're like kind of going through it, so I have to cop new ones. So yeah, these are the fresh pair. Both of the times that I've ordered these, they came like literally like the next day, so I'm like, what the fuck. So y'all better get to it. And these are actually $8, so yeah, they used to be like $10, I think, but you know, my girl put the price down. So yeah, this is the first item. But yeah, we're gonna get to the next one. Sorry I keep saying but yeah, like it's so annoying, but I don't know what's like wrong with me today. Like, okay, let me just get to the video because then I'm just start talking and then you're gonna be like, okay, I just want to see what you got. So the first thing that I'm gonna show y'all is the wigs. I went ahead and I posted my wig collection this month. I love this wig so much. The only thing is I wish I didn't straighten it because it looks bomber curlier, but it's all good. I bought this off Amazon and I think it was like less than $40. Pretty sure it was less than $40. So if y'all want to go ahead and cop a red wig for the Lolo, link down below. I have to go ahead and wash this, but you can tell like I've been wearing it or whatever, and it still feels pretty good. Well, actually feels really good. And I mean, she's looking a little messy right now because I didn't brush it, but I really love this. And I was kind of hesitant to cop this wig. I was like, I don't know if I want to cop it. I don't know if I fuck with the red, but I was just like, fuck it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And then I bought it, and then I really fucked with it. So yeah, I feel like if y'all really like want something, like don't be like, I don't think I'm gonna look good in it, or don't be like, I don't know, like I probably can't rock it, because you could rock it because you're that bitch, and you're gonna rock that way, you're gonna rock that outfit, you're gonna rock those shoes, you're gonna rock whatever you're trying to, you know, do. For me, so just go for it. Sometimes, or if not, like you could just make things kind of work. You know, like if I like something about me is that I always like make things work. Like even if it doesn't look good, I'm like, no, I'm gonna do something to make this look good because I want it to work. Like I want to use this wig, or like I want to use this outfit. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. You feel me? But yeah, hopefully y'all kind of just go for it, because you know what, like life is way too short to be like just kind of thinking like, just kind of like being hesitant about, you know, going out and stepping out your comfort zone or whatever, because sometimes stepping out your comfort zone can like be like the best outcome for me. So yeah, just a little pep talk for y'all, because I really want y'all to step out your comfort zone. Like I'm gonna like continue the video. I know y'all want me to shut the fuck up, but I just like want y'all to kind of hear me out, because I don't know, like I want to push y'all to step out your comfort zone. Like I'm not like trying to show off like my stuff. I mean, like I kind of am in a way, but like that's not my intentions. Like I mean, it's like for entertainment, but then again, it's also like I want you to be like, oh my god, like that wig is like so nice. Like I also want to get it, girl, get it, boy. Get it, whoever you are. You feel me? Go get that wig, go get that outfit, go get those shoes. You know, like you could. And don't be scared about what people think. It doesn't matter what people think. People will probably like look at you once and then just not give a fuck after. Like people don't care. Like it's all in your head. Like, you think like, oh my god, like, no, like, I don't want to wear this because people are gonna be tripping. And if people are tripping, then sometimes people are just mad because they want to kind of like do what you're doing, but they just don't have the balls to do it. So it just makes them uncomfortable, or they just make them like, fuck, they're really wearing the wig. I want to wear a wig, but like, I'm such a little bitch. But it's like, okay, so the second thing is this dress. This is such a beautiful dress. I love all of the details that are in this dress. It's a suede dress. I'm going to go ahead and put the picture of how I styled this dress. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below, of course, in case any of y'all babies want to go ahead and cop this dress. So yeah, and I actually, in the picture, y'all saw that I like matched it with my jean purse. I've been fucking with this purse so much. I'll go ahead and leave pictures of how I styled this purse as well, just so y'all can get an idea. I got this off like the little girls aisle in the thrift store, so don't sleep on the little girl aisle. And you never know like what you're gonna find, you feel me? So yeah, this is just so cute. If not, y'all can go ahead and search like jean purse like off Depop, and I'm pretty sure like a lot will pop up if y'all want to go ahead and cop like a jean purse. So, yeah. And then as well, in that like picture, y'all saw that I styled it with these Jordan 4 retros. I love these so much. These are like the re-release, so these are the 2019 ones. I copped these this month, and it's obviously, and like I love these so much, but I'm trying not to wear these that much because these are, you will see these again if y'all peep my back to school shoes video that I'm gonna be posting probably Thursday. So yeah, these are definitely my back to school shoes, so I don't want to like use these too much. I didn't use these in my summer, my top 10 summer shoes, because I didn't really think I was gonna wear these in summer, but then I was like, well, you know, I don't really want to wear that outfit, so yeah, I went ahead and I used these. But yeah, I love these so much. And then the next thing that I really fucking with this month, and I've been like dressing it like different ways. I've only posted it like once, and I'll go ahead and leave a picture also, well, as well. But I didn't really like take a picture like someone took it. Like, I just took like a mirror pic, so it's not like the best pic. But it is this beautiful olive green suede zip up dress, and it has like this fishnet details in the side. I love this dress so much. The material is so thick, it's so good. Sorry about my nose though, so fuck. Anyways, this is just the cutest dress in my opinion. I was like, when I was shopping for dresses, I was really like trying to find something that was kind of different, like not like the same regular things, dresses. So I'm so happy that I found those two, and I'll go ahead and leave the link down below, so hopefully y'all step out your comfort zone and cop them because they're cute as fuck. Or, you know, just to kind of look for something that's out of your comfort zone, and then you never know, like, you'll probably like end up falling in love with it. Because sometimes like I'm just like the wig, you know, like I just didn't think that I was gonna like that wig. I was like, I don't know, like I don't know like how I feel about red, but I just went ahead and I copped it and I fell in love with it. So yeah, hopefully y'all step out your comfort zone, if not now, later, or just kind of push yourself a little bit. Honestly, the first time I stepped out of my comfort zone was probably like in 10th grade, when I started using like bold lipsticks. And then after that, I just like kept like going up, going up, going up, like, okay, now I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And then now like I don't give a fuck and I'll wear whatever. So step out your comfort zone. Okay, so now I'm gonna show y'all the last shoes from this video, and that is, oh my god, my nails, fuck. And that is these chunky sandals. I went ahead and I used these already, but I didn't take a picture, which is so dumb because I should have took a picture. But like, I only asked people to take me a picture if I'm comfortable with them taking a picture. And when I wore these, like, it was my homies, so I was like, I'm not really trying to ask them to take me a picture. So yeah, these are my chunky sandals, and it has like this zebra print, and then this like pink knotted little band on the top. And I love these so much. these are my top summer shoes, so I want to go ahead and hopefully post these before the summer ends. I would use these for back to school. Well, I am gonna use these for back to school, but I really wanted these to be like my go-to summer shoes, you know, which they kind of are, but I just haven't really taken pictures. So, but yeah, I love these so much, and they're super comfortable, and they really are like when you put them on, like you can tell like they're like chunky, like I don't know, like there's some shoes that are kind of like chunky, but then when you put them on, well, I don't know, like what I'm talking about. Like, just never. Right now we got two last things, fuck, which are my glasses. So these are the first ones. I don't know if I used these before in my last haul. Hopefully I didn't because I don't like to repeat stuff. But I've really been fucking with these, and I broke these when I was doing random fits by the weekend, babe. If you don't know what that is, it's like it's kind of like virtual styling, and then like I just kind of like show y'all like how like an outfit kind of looks like, but like in a video form. But lately I've been doing like try on so y'all can see how it looks on. I'm gonna go ahead and post one again on Wednesday, so y'all can stay tuned for that. But anyways, I was filming this video and I was like picking up like after, because sometimes I do it on the floor or whatever, and my dumbass steps on it, and I'm just like, what the fuck? So whatever, I went ahead and I copped new ones, which is not like a big deal because they're not like that much money, but it just takes forever because it's AliExpress. But yeah, these are the glasses. The only thing is I wish they were kind of straight, but I'm like, I'll be wearing these like when I'm like not wearing, I don't know, like I like to wear sunglasses when I'm not really wearing makeup, but when I am wearing makeup, like I like to wear them like up here, like I just like to be like as an accessory. But then when like I'm not wearing makeup or like I'm not really trying to be seen, I just wear like my sunglasses so people don't be pitying me. Which brings us to the last item, and it's these sunglasses, which these are definitely my don't fucking look at me sunglasses. These are like have like a kind of mirror reflection, so if someone's staring at me, they're just basically staring at themselves, which I fuck with. And these were actually like probably like $2-3. So yeah, I'll leave the link to these down below as well. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Sorry I don't have like a lot of stuff, but I've copped most of these stuff. Well, I copped everything except the bag this month. So yeah, and I've really been fucking with them, and I've been reusing them, but I just post like pictures like once because I don't want like a bunch of pictures with the same outfit. But you could always reuse outfits, like don't, like you can, like I can have like one pair of pants and I'll just do like different, like I'll just make it work like to a bunch of different outfits. So don't be thinking like, oh, you know, like you just wear one outfit and then that's it, bye. No, you can reuse outfits all the time. You can make different kind of looks with them. With this dress, I have that look, and then in my summer lookbook-ish video, I went ahead and I used different shoes and a different bag, so it's like a different kind of outfit. So you can, I definitely can make a lot of outfits out of this dress. So yeah, but that is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully y'all fucked with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one next month. That's crazy, it's already gonna be August. But yeah, I'll do one in the end of August. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. That's okay too. And subscribe if you want to. A lot of people have been like subscribing lately, so thank you so much. That makes me so happy. It really motivates me like when I see subscribers, because I'm like, yes. So yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much, and I love y'all so much. And well, today, if you're seeing this video today on Tuesday, you're gonna go ahead and see another video later on, which is my matching my eyebrows to my wig video. So y'all can peep that later on. But if you're watching this like in the future, then that video is already up. And I'll go ahead and post every day. Today is Tuesday, so I'm obviously posting this video, the wig video, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do random fits by the weekend, babe, which is like my styling video. I think I'm gonna be doing Vans because I've been doing like two shoes. Like, okay, like last week I did my white dogs and my black dogs, and it's kind of like how to style those shoes. And then like the week before, I think I did how to style like my two Jordan ones. So I think this week I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I style my Vans, my red and my white and black slip-on Vans. In case any of y'all have those shoes and y'all want to see how to style those shoes, I got you. And then on Thursday, I'm just telling you like my whole fucking plan, but whatever. And then on Thursday, I'm gonna be posting my back to school shoes. And then on Friday, I'm gonna be posting. Oh, I did like 10 dress code friendly back to school outfits, which was like for high school and middle school. And then but on Friday, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all 10 back to school outfits for college. So all my college babies, you wanna pop out? We're gonna pop out, and it's obviously gonna show like a lot of skin. Not like a lot of skin, but like I really fuck with like showing my stomach and my, you know, my legs or whatever. All that stuff that you're not allowed to wear in high school. So if y'all want to go ahead and peep that on Friday, then y'all can just come back on Friday. Or, you know, if y'all want to peep any of those videos, y'all know when to come back. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much.
Trip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this